In this video, I'll show you how to create a carousel post on a Facebook page step by step. Carousel posts are a great way to showcase multiple products, highlight different services, or tell a story using several images in a single post. To get started, open the Facebook app or Meta Business Suite and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Next, go to your page and tap Create Post. If you're using Meta Business Suite, choose Create Post and select your Facebook page. Look for the option to create a carousel post if it's available. Upload multiple images and arrange them in the order you want them to appear. You can add a title, description, and a website link for each image if those options are supported. Write a caption that explains your post and encourages people to like, comment, or click your links. Before publishing, preview the carousel to make sure every image displays correctly and all links work properly. If everything looks good, tap Publish to post it right away, or choose Schedule to publish it at a later date. After it's live, check your page insights to track engagement, clicks, and overall performance. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.